how to fill in these black portions above and below the video, because I have a horizontal clip on a vertical timeline here in Davinci Resolve. So I will use an effect. Click on the effect button, come here to Resolve FX, go down to Stylize, and here we have Blanking Fill. Drag this blanking fill on top of your video, there. Now go to the inspector. Since we have an effect on the clip, then effect tab is active. Blanking fill, that is the plugin. You can enable it and disable it from that one. Click on the source, open it. The left and right sides are blurred out, so that is modified by this crop left right. Notice it is increasing or decreasing. So type in there 0 and press enter. Now the blurring is gone. Now let's expand the same image above and below. That is done by this crop top and bottom. You can drag it, but not too much, because notice the height of the video decreases if you overdo it. So around 0.34 is okay, and press enter. I will leave it on stretch, because in that way all the video is visible. Here at fill appearance, at blur background, you can modify how much to blur the background, less or more. I will use it like that. Drop shadow, shadow strength. You can add a shadow behind your video. And global blend, you can make it less visible or more visible, or somewhere in the middle, make it a little bit darker. And that's it. We just filled in the black portions with something, and it is blurred out, and that's it. If you don't want this plugin anymore, that here at blanking fill, use this trash can, and the effect is gone. Now it's back to its original state. If you use Ctrl Z, then it returns. So that's how to fill in the background with something and don't have black bars there.